Alright, we're gonna do the garden tour. It is near the end of August, and we're gonna look at what we got. I have some asparagus plants. I've never harvested them, but a lot of them are doing pretty well. There's a rhubarb plant, they got pretty big, but I haven't ever started harvesting it yet. This cabbage plot has been underperforming. I kind of let it go because it wasn't doing much, but everything else has been pretty good. Corn is some of the tallest corn I've ever grown. In the back is cucumbers, I'll get to them later. And over here, we got zucchini, and I picked a lot of the zucchini in recent times, but it's doing fairly well. Over here, I got lots of tomato plants, and they're interspersed with carrots. I already picked these carrots. And then there's a few dill weeds that kind of grew from last year. I think there's a big flower kind of broke from the rain weight, but you can see lots of different things, goodies growing under here. And there's carrots here. You can see that some of them, like that red orange one there, is kind of ready. Some are falling over. I don't know if that's just from the rain or if that means they're about ready, but they're doing pretty good. I got 3 different kinds of tomatoes. There's Roma, saw cherry earlier on, and this is a beef steak with roasted some Romas over here too. And then while I'm back here, we have a cucumber plot. There's a little bit of cucumbers for pickling growing. There's a few more scattered around here. You can see one down there. There's my chickens. And then the elusive celery plant. Very important garden crop. There's a parsnip from last year. The parsnip plant this year didn't do good. It became a weed fest. But right here, we got some celery that's doing pretty good. I mean, it's not going to get that thick, but you know, it's doing good as it can. This was the onion plot, but now it's a radish plot. I put the celeriac saplings here. But I only expect to get radish, and there's a dill that kind of got broken from the weight of the wind. Then here's my wall of beans. Some of the beans go way up into the tree. Just a problem because I can't get the beans up there, but oh good God, they're over there too. I didn't even know. I'll have to go get those. Look right here. Come on, camera, you can go. See 2 beans right there. I'm gonna have to get them. I didn't realize the bean grew that way too. And then there's a few remains of some of the pea plants you can see right here. But this is doing pretty well. I also did fava beans, which, you know, this plant here. They used to go back to like ancient Egypt and stuff. Fed people throughout the Neolithic. It makes a high protein, what do you call it? Bean. They look more delicious than normal beans. That's a nasturtium flower. I had a few of them planted just let's keep deer away. But yeah, down here, this is fava beans. The clovers came in. There was a lot of snow peas that I picked them and they did their whole life cycle. I put a raspberry, I transplanted some raspberry weeds over here so they'd be over here. I have strawberries and a grapevine. This is supposed to be the fruit plot, but I haven't really put a lot of time in it. But grapevine's a lot of fun. Hopefully it'll make grapes someday, and then you can see beans go way up into the trees, which is redonkulous. And then I do love how tall the corn is, though. That's the best corn I've ever had. There's Roasty. Oh, see? He went, oh. That's how he talks to me. He purrs at me, and it's amazing. Alright. I got hens everywhere. You gotta talk tick and talk to them. Sorry, some of my hens are rough looking. Oh, well, let's look at this. It's because this is gonna get destroyed very quickly. Big mushrooms, I mean, super huge. Then we're gonna go to my greenhouse. Greenhouse has eggplants and then peppers, and they got a ways to go, but I'm hoping to get a few fruits. There's more of them here, and there's my shamrocks. Greenhouse was a lot smaller this year. But it was only $19 for me just to take part of that skeleton and one and make a smaller one. But whether I use it again next year if it survives. Over here, I've picked the potatoes out already. There's the trellis from last year, I think, this year. And then I grew oats, and we'll see how those go. It's my first time ever doing it. And then, well, there's the coop there. Well, that's everything. The harvest still has a ways to go. And hopefully, next time I do a garden, we'll do better. I don't know if I'm better than last year's. It's about the same, I think. Cabbage failed me though, so that kind of made me sad. But yeah.